how to make fart sounds. There's several ways to make fart sound like this. This is the best type. And this is my opinion. Ready, steady, so when you take something like this, put your mouth on it like this, and then you go. Just blow like this. And then you go. And that's how you make fart sound. Bye, suckers.